Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito lemonade. This simple recipe brings together the vibrant taste of mint and lime with the tangy sweetness of lemonade, creating a truly delightful beverage. It's incredibly easy to prepare, making it an ideal choice for a quick refreshment or for serving guests. Get ready to impress with this delicious and easy-to-make drink that everyone will love. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, which you'll gently muddle to release their aromatic oils. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice and 1/4 cup of simple syrup for sweetness. Finally, ensure you have 4 cups of your favorite prepared lemonade and plenty of ice cubes on hand. These simple components are all you need for a fantastic drink. Now, let's mix everything together. In a large pitcher, gently muddle the fresh mint leaves with the lime juice. This step helps to infuse the minty flavor throughout the drink. Then, pour in the simple syrup and the 4 cups of prepared lemonade. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. For the best taste, chill your Mojito lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Once chilled, your refreshing Mojito lemonade is ready to be enjoyed. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glasses. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish each glass with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant sprig of mint. This drink is perfect for any occasion, from a casual afternoon to a lively gathering. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Cheers to a delicious and easy-to-make beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.